Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Light blue color, light yellow color, black color, orange color, pink color, red color, dark blue color and brown color. Let's start. Purple color. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Yellow color. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Light green color. C for candy. C for candy. Blue color. D for dog. D for dog. Black color. E for elephant. E for elephant. Red color. F for fish. F for fish. Yellow color. G for goat. G for goat. Light green color. H for hen. H for hen. Red color. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Yellow color. J for joker. J for joker. Green color. K for kite. K for kite. Blue color. L for lion. L for lion. Purple color. M for mango. M for mango. Black color. N for nose. N for nose. Green color. O for owl. O for owl. Yellow color. P for piano. P for piano. Blue color. Blue color. Q for queen. Q for queen. Red color. R for red. R for red. Blue color. S for sister. S for sister. Green color. T for tomato. T for tomato. Red color. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Blue color. V for village. V for village. Yellow color. W for water. W for water. Purple color. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Yellow color. Y for yak. Y for yak. Blue color. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. And at last, smiley for happy kids. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And at last, smiley for happy kids. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video. Then bye.